Alright guys, so it is July 15th. I've done about like 5 videos today. And some huge waves are coming in. Okay, there's a cool little pelican that dove in. But okay, so they died down like they come in sets. And we'll see, we'll see some of them come in here in the next couple of minutes. I know it. Like, it's starting to rain now, guys. It is raining everywhere. I'm not sure you can see it. But let's see here. I'm waiting for some big waves to come flying in. Crashing in. Oh, here we go. Yeah, that was alright. Bam! I love that noise. Here we go. Here we go. Check this one out. Nice. Got another one behind it. Bam! It's like a thunder chorus. Oh, here we go. Nice. Oh, here's a monster one. Bam! Nice! And we got another one behind it. Bam! Like, this is right behind my house, guys. Beachside. And it's fucking raining. Like, you would think that it'd be really ugly and whatnot, but it's fucking cool. Wow, we got some bigger waves coming too, man. Look at these fucking monsters. Look at this one. Bam! Nice. We got a girl over here that's running down the beach. I don't know. Fucking mosquito trying to get me. I don't know what she's running from. I gotta move, guys. These mosquitoes are trying to get me. Trying to get me. Check this one out, guys. Bam! Look, we got the little oh, that's gonna look pretty. Bam! The waves are huge. Bam. Oh, fuck. Look at this one coming in. Bam. Nice. We got any? Yeah, we got some back there. Bam. Fucking cool, guys. I mean, cool. Sure beats the backyard in Vegas. Alright, guys. So if you like this, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will be making a shit ton more. Thanks, guys. Talk to you soon. Oh, wait, you know what? We'll go to 420. There's my pretty dog, my Bea. That's right, guys. If you like this video, give me a like if you like my little Bea, my little princess.